Okay, guys, so my hubby is upstairs doing some stuff, and I had to think quick and easy. What can we eat? Because I know I'm hungry. I know he got to be hungry. I was like, let me see what is in my cabinet. Sometimes you got to find what is in your cabinet. So, guys, when I say this is good, I don't know if you tried this because it's very hard to find good pancakes now. Believe it or not, this brand right here, Walmart brand, blueberry, so good. I'm gonna make some eggs, and I'm also gonna make some hash. I don't know if you ever tried probably try the corned beef hash, but try the roast beef hash by Hormel. Very good. I'm gonna get this together, and we're gonna have us a quick meal. The good thing about this pancake mix, all you do is just add water. No eggs, no none of that. Complete water. Okay, guys, so this is how creamy I like it to get. Yes, I stir it and stuff like over the sink, guys, because this can make a mess. And yes, I put it in a cup because as soon as I get done pouring it, which makes it so much easier, I throw it straight in the trash when I'm done. So try that trick. Just a regular plastic cup, pour it inside the skillet, hot grease, and you'll love it. It makes it so much easier. As I'm putting this hash in my skillet, I thought of something. I know somebody will be like, why are you eating from a can? Eating from a can is bad. Guys, when it comes to food, you don't know what you're getting. It can be organic, it could be the best of the best, and there's recalls on a lot of things. So you just use your best discretion. But again, guys, this is really good. Try it. I'm about to cook it now. I got my pancakes going first. Go ahead and get this warmed up, and I'm gonna do my eggs, and I'll come back. And if you want, you can add a little bit of onion to that as well. A trick I like to do with pancakes is add just a little bit of the pancake mix. Once that starts sizzling, that's when you go ahead and add the pancake mix, all of it. Okay, you make them as big, as small as you want, as many as you want. It's all up to you. And just make sure the oil is hot. Don't use too much oil. Don't use too little oil. It's kind of like in between. Okay, and have it on like about 8, not too high. I like to have mine on like between a little bit 7 and 8. And guys, I like to use canola oil. Sizzling now, it's time to go ahead and add the pancake mix. I like to use a spatula and a spoon. Try it and you'll see what I mean once it's time to flip them. And you know when it's time to flip them once you see them looking nice and crusty on the edges, like a nice little light brown. And see, that's why I like a cup. You just pour them in, throw it in the trash when you're done, but go ahead and add some more because I'm going to make more. So do the same exact thing. Rinse this out. I mean, not rinse, I'm sorry. Make it nice and clean. You don't want to have those edges, but make your mix again and just keep on doing it until you get as many pancakes as you want. I always find 3 does pretty good in a skillet. Yeah, about 3. And I'm going to flip that little baby over too because she get eaten as well. Remember, that's the one when we test to see if the oil was hot enough. Okay, flip it over when you see it crusty on the edges. See that little brown crusty on the edges? It's time to flip them. And like I said, use your spatula and use your spoon. I'm not going to show you how to use it. You find what works for you. But a spatula and a spoon does excellent. See, flipped her over first. You see how pretty she looks? Let's go ahead and get the rest flipped over with your spatula and your spoon. Okay, guys, the hash is done. I'm going to put my parchment paper on top of it. Remember I told you I like to use parchment paper or aluminum foil. Look how pretty those pancakes look. Yeah. Yeah. Flipping them over with a spatula and a spoon. Don't forget to go ahead and press subscribe now, guys. I would love for you to join the family. And go ahead and get you a real plate and put a paper towel on it. Use a real plate because you don't want the grease to go through plastic plates. All right, there they go. They looking good. Now, a quick tip that I wanted to tell you. Once you and I told you to use parchment paper. Actually, you know what? As I'm cooking, I do not use parchment paper. Use aluminum foil because you don't want nothing catching on fire, just to be on the safe side. But what I like to do is let the skillet cool a little bit, just a little bit. Get all the little particles out before I add any more mix. Because if you don't, when you're cooking it, it's going to be cooking as well. So get the grease nice and clean. And then we about to do 3 more pancakes. Now, guys, I will add parchment paper to this because it's not on the stove. It's not hot. Never add paper or anything when it's hot, even though they say don't catch on fire. But just that quick tidbit. Be careful. Use aluminum foil when you working around the stove and heat and stuff. Then once you put it on the counter, that's when you can use the parchment paper. And just to show you, this is parchment paper. And this is aluminum foil. And like I said, I like to use the aluminum foil when I'm using the stove and it's hot. Parchment paper when it's not hot. You always want to follow safety tips and be careful. We ain't trying to cause no fires. Okay? Okay, guys, so now time to make the eggs. You can scramble them, you can fry them, you can Benedict, whatever you want. But I'm going to go ahead and scramble them. I'm going to use 4. So it's me and my hubby. I usually use 4, okay? It's my second batch. Look at those blueberries looking so good. Those blueberries popping. I'm telling you guys, I love that pancake mix. I have tried several. We've been eating pancakes since we've been young. I actually was burnt out for a very long time. But every blue moon, because my mom used to eat them all the time and we ate them. Every blue moon, though, I try different ones. And I really like this one. Okay? We are into easy, but cooking. You don't have to do this long drawn out stuff. If you're trying to find somebody that's do the easy cooking, good cooking, easy to cook, easy to follow stuff we have in our actual pantries and refrigerator, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And by the way, my name is Akaya. I have all kind of videos. Check them out, okay? And again, guys, don't forget your small one. It's the one you turn over to see how the other one's looking. All right, we always got to take the little one with us. Okay, the pancakes is done. Now time to make the eggs and we will be almost done. And see, it did not take long at all. I'm telling you, you don't have to be slaving in the kitchen for a long time, but it is nice to cook for your family. Nice and easy. And they think you slave forever. Blueberry pancakes. And if you want, you can get you some blueberry pancake syrup, whatever you like. Fruit, jelly, or jam. Which one do you like? Comment below in the comment section. And now, guys, again, I put parchment paper right on top. Keep it nice and covered from everything. And they keep it crunchy because aluminum foil sometimes make it sweat, but I love the parchment paper. So go purchase you some parchment paper and aluminum foil. They'll be your best friend. Hey, guys, I am making the eggs. And once I get done with these, I'll be done. Okay, now I like to go ahead and clean up. I don't know if anyone told you, but eggs is very hard to get out. So as soon as you cook those, take them to the skillet, get it out the skillet because it's very hard to get out. Okay, guys, here's the eggs. The pancakes, blueberry pancakes, and the hash. Quick, easy meal. You cleaned up as you went, so now you can just go ahead and eat. Subscribe, and make sure you comment right now below if this video added value or you're going to be trying this meal because this was a quick and easy meal. I know we so just wrapped up and busy. Quick, easy. We still got to cook for our people. All right? Okay.